Hey guys, Amy here. Alright, so looking at the weather report, found out it's going to get cold tonight and tomorrow night. Weren't expecting it. I was hoping the temperatures would be, what do you call it? Little bit higher up, but it's supposed to get down. It's Wednesday night. Today's February the 13th. It's supposed to get down to 40 tonight, and tomorrow it's gonna be high 52. So what I need to do is a couple different things today. The rain has finally stopped. It's after 12 o'clock, so most of the rain is gone through. It's still cloudy though, but I got to take care of, get some of these plants back into the greenhouse, mainly the moringa. I'm thinking about, it's not supposed to freeze. The moringa, the jackfruit, and jackfruit's over here, and that guy, I can't remember what they meant. I think it's a sour sap. I keep forgetting it. I don't know why. All right, and then what I'm going to do is we're going to close up the greenhouse again, and I'm going to put the boards up. I got to grab the heater. I don't know. It's supposed to get down to 40, so the sour sap here, they don't like to go below 50. So when it gets too close to 50, we protect it. But also up here, we got the heating lamps. That one doesn't have a cover on it. That's not good. Hold on. I don't like it when they don't have the cover. Yeah, see, this one's got the cover on it, but that one don't. That's not good. I don't like that. Anyway, so I'm going to close up the greenhouse by myself. Donald's working. And I'm also going to give the quail some more hay. And I'll take you into there so you guys can see the quail. He's sleeping. There's the quail. This guy's totally asleep. Oh, woke them up. Alright. I'm gonna get in here into this side and get them some more hay in there. Alright. Got them some more hay, and I got a quail egg. I'll be back out later this afternoon. Everybody else is kind of hunting around. Guinea's making noises. There's my ducks. I hate the guinea. I really do. I don't like them. I really do not like them at all. Everybody else will come out later this afternoon to... Hi, Stupid! How's Stupid doing? How you going? So, now my attention is going to be to... Oh, there's the other girls. Hi, guys! Alright. Now, got to worry about this thing. So, get your butt back in there. Look at... Come on. Come on, get back in there. No, alright. Come on, back in there. I gotta bang on stuff. This is my... Back in there. That's it, Stupid. Tell her. Ay, ay, ay. I swear. Problem child. Number 2 or 3. Can't remember. Ah, crap. I cracked it. I don't know if you can see that right there. I was chasing her around. I held it too tight. Ugh! Swear, the chickens. I love them. Sometimes I hate them. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set you guys up. I'm going to go grab my drill because I'm going to put the boards up. It's supposed to be a little windy, but we want to keep as much heat as we can, so eliminate that. And I'm going to go ahead and start getting these sides put down. You can already see the pollen. Gee whiz. Alright, be back in a minute. Got most of it done. We're just putting a few of the plants in here that we think won't really last the next 2 days in the colder night weather. Moringa, the dragon fruit, that's Braden's cantaloupe, the Hawaiian pineapples, the katuk, and cannot remember the name of that thing, the jackfruit, the loquat, and this other thing, I just can't remember all the names. Sometimes a little bit too much, but we're going to leave out these guys because they're pretty cold hardy. So it's not supposed to frost. And hopefully, that's my Jamaica red sorrel there. This is all cranberry hibiscus. Papayas are doing great. And then over here is my spearmint. And I think it's lemon balm that I got from my she goes by Daughter of a Ghost Town on Instagram. Our lemon and our lime, and I already got a couple lemons popping out. Excited. There's more flowers, and the lime's starting to pop out with flowers. And then we got our Everglades tomatoes that I'm going to leave out. They're doing great. And so I am going to go ahead and get this finished up and show you it all rolled up again. I guess got to dump the water out. I'll be back in a minute. All done. We had one board break on us when we were trying to get it off, so the center one, I just put it near the bottom so that way it's less likely. Hopefully it'll be good enough, but everything's ready to go. What we gotta do is plug in the heater tonight, and that's it. See? Power of the drill. Alright, hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember, greenhouses are important. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and grow something for your family.